Let me tell you my game changer. Mouth tape.
You were talking about this.
Game changer. Game changer. I know people say this, and I know it's like one of those fucking fitness influencer things where people are selling something. I got no skin in the game, okay? I'm not selling nothing. I don't have anything for sale. I use a company called Hostage Tape. I'm sure there's other ones that are great, but Hostage Tape makes me laugh. You take this tape and you put it over your mouth when you sleep. Now, I have sleep apnea, so I wear a mouthpiece.
Mouth tape really is a game changer. It reduces snoring. I think that's a benefit nobody talks about. So if you don't get it for yourself, get it for your spouse. You'll have improved quality of sleep. And I've just noticed my mouth is never dry anymore, so it's awesome. The Hostage Tape is linked below, as well as other brands.